Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change the Canva theme. So you've got a couple of different options here. It just depends on what you prefer. Some people like the theme in Canva to be lighter. Some people like dark. It's totally up to you. So this is how you do it. So from your Canva homepage, we're going to click onto the profile picture in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you're going to scroll up and you should see a section that says theme. Then you can scroll your mouse across and you can see you can swap between the light theme, the dark theme, and a sync with the system. So like I said, I like mine kept on light, but if you prefer a dark screen, you can click on that and the screen will go into dark mode. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.